Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Simpson, who that teacher from New Orleans. How y'all guys doing? Y'all know what time it is, so you have your dancing shoes on. It's time to get up and get busy, get busy. So the next line dance I'm gonna teach you is a classic, it's old school. It's very simple. Instructors, this is a great dance for your beginners, okay? It's called Jimmy Lee, and it's a four-wall dance that moves counterclockwise, okay? If you want to dance along, make sure you have all the steps. Wait till the end of this instructional, and I'll pin the video with the music, okay? And we can dance together. Make sure you leave a comment and let me know what you think. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. Are you ready? Let's get busy. So we're going to start on this wall right here, okay? And we're going to start with a step back with a rock recover. So we rock recover, cha-cha, up left, cha-cha, back right. Okay, again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, rock, left, right, back, right, left. Okay, now we're going to do our quarter turn to our left. And we're going to go to turn and also bop on the right, which is a double. Here we go, turn and right, left, kick, right, left. Again, right, left, kick, right, left. And some people, they'll bop, and then they'll do a rock recover, bop, and rock recover. So you can, whatever you prefer, okay? But the dance is choreographed with kick. So right, left, kick, right, left. Again, right, left, kick, right, left. So let's put that together, and remember you got to do rock back with a rock recover. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock recover. Right, left, rock, left, right, back, left, rock, right, left, quarter turn left, right, left, kick it out, kick, pop again, right, left, and kick it out, right, left, okay? Now, when you kick right, left, you step, kick, ball, change. So we kind of move in diagonal. So we're not going to this wall, and we're not going to that wall. So it's not a wall, it's diagonal. It's between the wall that you're facing and the wall to your left, so diagonal. And you step on the right. Step, kick, ball, change, okay? And tap out, cross, step, and slide. Slide back on that left, putting that weight on the left and dragging with your right. Again, we step, kick, ball, change, kick, cross, step, drag, okay? Or you can do tap, which is this. So I'm going to show you both ways. Watch this. Step, kick, ball, change, kick, cross, step on your right, back on your left, and drag. Or you can do step, kick, ball, change, tap, out on the left, cross on your left, step on your right, and drag back. It's the same thing. Okay? So, let's start with the bop. Right, left, kick, right, left. Left, kick, right, left. Step, kick, ball, change, kick, cross, step, and slide. Yes. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right. Kick, ball, change, tap, cross, step, slide. Okay? And your weight is on that left, and you start over with that rock recover. Okay? So, let's start at this wall. So we get a chance to go around a couple of times without you're looking back at the camera. Okay, so we start with our rock recover, right? Rocking back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock recover. Right, left, right, rock, left, right, rock, right, left. Right, left, left, kick, right, left. Right, left, kick, right, left. Step, kick or change. Kick, cross, step, slide. Rock, recover. Cha-cha. Rock, recover, cha-cha. Rock, recover. Quarter turn, right, left, kick it out. Bop again, right, left, kick it out. Step on your right, kick, ball change. Kick, ball change, kick, out, cross, step, and slide. So let's do it again. At this wall here. I'm gonna give you the count. 5, 6, 5, 6. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So I want you to rock recover on 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you get it? Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Turn 1, 2, 3, 4, kick 5, 6, tap 7, 8, 1, 2, kick 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock, recover. Okay? And that's the count. So it's not a perfect 32 count or whatever, but that is the count. That is called Jimmy Lee. It's a full wall dance that moves counterclockwise. Perfect, guys, for your beginners. Okay, not the ones, not your novice, the one that's been dancing a little while. Okay, a nice warm up or a cool down. Okay, guys, so that's it. Please make sure that you leave me a comment. Make sure you subscribe. When you subscribe, what happens is it's tied into your email. So each and every time I upload a video, it'll automatically notify you. So the video comes looking for you instead of you looking for it, okay? So you always know what I'm teaching. So, that's it. That's it. So, like I said, I'll pin the demo here. So if you want to dance together, and most of my instructional will have the video pinned to it where it's to the music and vice versa, okay? So if you are someone, I'm sorry, that's the intro, I'm sorry. Thank you for watching. My name is Linda Sims, and I'll see you the next time.